Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, February 4th, 2010. This morning I wanted to go through an example of how on Windows you can get VisualWorks to summon the default printer dialog that Windows usually uses instead of just going to the default printer. So to do that, what I'm going to do is load a little convenience package that I created a few minutes ago called Printer or Print Goodies. So let's go ahead and grab this. And we'll load this. Now what it's going to do is it's going to load in Windows goodies. This is a Windows specific package, so it'll only really work for you on Windows. Other platforms are not supported using this little set of goodies. Okay, once that's in, what you can do is close that, and you can come over here into a workspace where I've created a little example. And the way I pulled this is if you go to class documents, you'll find there are some examples on the class side. I pulled the code that creates a document right here. So creates a document object, throws some stuff onto it, and then closes the document. So let's do that. And then once I've created a document, I can just tell the document, go to the printer using a dialog. You'll notice that there's a method in class document called toPrinter that would use the default printer. This one will summon the default Windows print dialog. So I'll go ahead and hit do it. And what you see here is the printer dialog came up and it's telling me that there's this printer, which is the default. And if I pull this down, you'll see there are additional choices. I've got one other installed here, which is on my iMac over there. So I'll select that. It's going to take it a minute to go through the network and fill all this data in. Okay, and once that finishes, it fills all this data in, tells me where it's located. I can hit OK and print, or I can hit cancel. And in this case, it's just going to tell me that the print job canceled because I put a little error handling in there so you don't get an exception when you cancel. And if I had hit print, it would have gone to my selected printer. So that way, the end user can create documents using your application, summon this normal Windows print dialog, and have them go wherever they want, instead of having to flip around in Windows and change the default printer as you often have to with VisualWorks applications. So it makes it a little easier, and it's pretty simple to use. About it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.